Mark Zuckerberg reacted to the Vision Pro by comparing it with the Quest 3, obviously his product by his company, Meta. It was a very interesting video, and people are really on his side that the Quest Pro is better, and I didn't know, and a lot of people didn't know, that there were these features in the Quest Pro. Yeah, so he posted it to his Instagram today. Obviously, I believe he's still on Twitter, but he doesn't obviously post there because he owns Thread. So I have the clip. I'm not gonna play the full Thread. It's 3 minutes and 37 seconds long. You can go watch it on your own time, but I'll just show the first second so you get an idea of what it was. Alright, so this was it. And he's just, I don't know, so he's showing clips of the Vision Pro. I believe that was the Quest 3. Most of it, he's just talking about it. He's not actually using any of the device, but he goes very in-depth about what he thinks about both. And he says that the Quest 3 is not just better for the price, but better overall, price not included.